Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam crystal spring decor items. And so what you're going to need some of these crystal teardrop pendants, and they are from Efavormart. I also have some silver glitter from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some Mod Podge. You're going to need 2 of these glass Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2. And I have got a couple of different kinds of succulents here. And you will need 2 of these little Tealight holders. I have mine in silver. If you want to use gold, you find them in gold. If you want to use silver, you can't find silver, you can always spray paint them. I have got some silver craft paint from Walmart. I have some peel and stick gemstones. They are from Walmart, but you can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these little glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? Let me know which one's your favorite. I think my favorite is this little pineapple to the left here. But I think they're both beautiful. And anyway, they'll make excellent additions to your spring home decor. And let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.